Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the present perfect and the past simple. First of all, have a look at this sentence. My friend Jane has been in hospital for 3 weeks. My friend Jane has been in hospital for 3 weeks. Present perfect, it means she is still there. My friend Jane has been in hospital for 3 weeks and she is still in hospital. Now look at this sentence. My friend Jane was in hospital for 3 weeks. My friend Jane was in hospital for 3 weeks. Was in hospital. She's not there now. Now she's back home. But she was in hospital for 3 weeks sometime in the past. So, present perfect to talk about something that has a connection with the present, now. Past simple to talk about something that happened and finished in the past. English grammar, the present perfect and the past simple. Easy peasy. With the help of Uncle Geoff. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time for another Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English lesson. Bye-bye for now.